nase omusangirikano yo igabo koba ebyegwa abana bali bakora buyasogote mu mwaka olyoeta muyogo yo iga onyaraka bagogwekiranwa mu nabeboli abana nabwegamo nababwatani begisemi ase abana bagendera ko bakobwatikirwa bosemya kwene kibunango igwera bale abali mu babo unenjire ya muyogo kina mune chimbwa elio banyaraka bakonyolera somo kira bakonyasa matukale busyo.
Want to say that the class of 2025 whom you have made us to be here today, I want to wish you on behalf of the parents and the PA members that as you go out to your various universities, may God take care of you.
I want to congratulate every prize winner today, every teacher today, every parent, every member of staff, and every student who has contributed to the success that we are celebrating today. May this occasion inspire us to pursue even greater excellence in the years ahead.
Na sumusangirikano yo igabo igo abo bisana nene bali bolendi banyarako bakulira ngamba kikunyarako bakubwatira na bunenjire ya moyo kulenda chisukuru na bo igo ne chimbo cha bana
candidates when wanafanya mtihani this year. Remember, whatever you do right now will determine what you will get at the end of your course in this institution. I wish you the very best. Na pia venye umeambiwa na OCS Keroka, just be determined because what you do right now will determine your future. For wale walimaliza, I wish them all the very best in your career hapo mbele in the universities. Na just be law-abiding citizens. Msitupatie kazi ngumu hapo mbele.
So mkituona mnafurahia sisi, ukiwa na shida mnasema iko shida. Kama mmeshindwa kutembea kwa shule, mnakuja mnatueleza iko shida. Kama iko shida kwa polisi kuja tuele. So wazazi mshikane na wanafunzi, mshikane na walimu, mshikane na polisi, kazi ikuwe rahisi.
Sangirikano yo gabayigo okiranwamo na Tony Muturi uyu mwana siasa kurase county Nyamira na ne olineganga yo kubulikira ukyo seneta igagendera ko bagagosemya abarayikwa n'ikibunango ikabari cisukuru wange bunenjire yemo yo gucisira elio kinyarako baciko genderera
abarayi baito kurura gongoro itura Nyamira mbanyari tuwika ase skuru erero gucha gucengera ayasa yabeire ikiagere igenteka buneke nkebwente ko kwego boroso boronge nande banyari ko kwena nabalimu support nabayiboli nande bamakomanyanga skuru kabuneye ne skuru chinde mechando kichibwate eri nare banyari guchiringoria nandi tunyorenga amana baitu ngokora bara matemu asenjerere ndonge. Ingo ripoti Getaseni kia wanjete kia Getembe njiko nguru kwa Polycarp Okara.